Hey guys, Amit here for Advices Media, and here we are at the LG booth at Mobile World Congress, and here is the LG G2 Mini on the lines of Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini. LG has also launched a new mini smartphone which is the G2 Mini. Looks almost like the LG L5 or the L7 Android smartphone, like the budget smartphones from LG, and finally it looks like LG also wanted to jump into the mini series, and finally we have the G2 Mini here. It's actually going to be available in two different variants, that's 1.7 GHz and 1.2 GHz depending on the networks. The 1.2 GHz CPU based device would be actually available in Europe with 8 megapixel camera and would be running on the LTE Cat 4 and VO LTE, which means that they would be actually having a higher speed connectivity but on a smaller processor at 1.2 GHz quad-core, while the other countries would actually get the 1.7 GHz device with the 13 megapixel camera and Cat 3 network, which means that you would be actually having lower speeds but a better performance. Now that's about the CPU. The device, it actually comes with a 4.7 inches IPS display with a resolution of 960 by 540, but it's pretty decent enough, not pretty good. And we also have the Moto G on the same lines, which actually comes with 720p display. Let's have a physical form factor lookout. So on the right you have nothing, while on the left again there is nothing. That's the G series from LG, wherein all the buttons actually move to the back. We have the on-off buttons and the volume rockers on the back with the 13 megapixel or the 8 megapixel cameras and the LED flash. While on the top you have the IR blaster, the 3.5mm headset jack, a microphone, and on the bottom you have the speaker grills perfectly placed on both of the sides and the micro USB cable slot. On the front there are no physical buttons, while there is a 1.3 megapixel camera with a sensor on the front. Now here is the actual smartphone with different home screens and a few shortcuts and widgets running. That's the general UI which you get from LG. Let's go to the app drawer and check out few other applications. So most of the Google based applications are installed here. There are some other specific applications which are again installed by the users here. Let's go to the settings and check out the current OS version. Surprisingly, this being a smaller variant or a mini variant smartphone, it comes with the latest Android KitKat version. That's Android 4.4.2 pre-installed onto this device, and that is pretty good. So if the price is perfectly set, this would be a decent smartphone for the consumers who are looking for a smartphone at a budget pricing. Talking about the battery, the device comes with 2440 mAh of battery capacity, and when you talk about the storage, it comes with a total storage of just 4 GB. That's the biggest bummer on this device, wherein just 1.88 GB would be actually available to you, or around 2 GB of data would be available to you, which would be generally of no use if for a user who actually runs a lot of high-end games. You get a pretty decent display, a pretty good camera, decent processor, latest Android KitKat, and a few smart features like the knock code, plug and pop, clip tray, guest mode, and a few other related stuff. But the biggest disadvantage being the internal storage. Anyway, that was a quick hands-on the LG G2 Mini. In the next video, we will be actually comparing this with the LG G2 Android smartphone and showing you what are the major differences between both of these devices, and you can decide which should be your next purchase. Till then, keep subscribed to Advices Media for more updates around the tech, around the Mobile World Congress, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we hope to see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.